All right, guys. We are now at the world famous Dean's Place, as seen on TV on Moonshiners. One of Mark and Digger's favorite hangouts. It is kind of hard to see, but that's Dean's Place. Lights are kind of bright tonight. I can maybe show y'all this sign that says Dean's Place also. And y'all can tell it says Dean's Place. I can't tell with my camera, but maybe you can see. And here comes old Wild Bill out of Dean's Place.
Hey folks, we're at the world famous Dean's Bar. This has been on the show several times. You've seen Mark and Digger come in here and talk, do business. Used to be run by Tim Lehman. He's retired now. He's got some health issues. We love you, Timbo. Dean's Place. Show them around, right?
So we basically just kind of moved our party here, but I'm going to walk around and show you guys. It's pretty cool. So here we go. A little loud in here tonight, but you'll enjoy it. He's outside. Okay. No, if you want the road, you can see. There's Leslie. Patty, say hello. There's Patty. We've lost Wild Bill in the shuffle somewhere. There's old Wild Bill.
The famous pump.
Bid or
Highest 30 minutes.
if y'all are familiar with the show, which a lot of our friends are, this little pump contraption right here is what season was it? Last year?
It's been about a year.
Last season, Mark and Diggers got busted by the law and their pump got taken out of the creek. This is the pump. And these folks are the owners of the bar here now. What they're wanting to do is they're wanting to auction this off in the next 30 minutes. Right? Within the next 30 minutes, the highest bidder gets this. It's been signed by all the moonshiners. Mark, Digger, JB Rader. Who all signed that?
Dave Robertson.
Dave Robertson. The cop that busted it. It's been signed by all of them. So if any of you are interested in this, make a bid on it. In the next 30 minutes. Who knows? You may win this. That's right. I may bid on this. I'd like to have it in my collection. This is open for auction right now in the next 30 minutes.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you guys later. We're having too much fun.